So when it comes to getting that, let's just call it the 5-star review before they even arrive, what are some best practices, best tips that you could recommend to somebody that is even starting out or somebody that's experienced? How could they sort of embed into that sort of guest experience for people, please?
The biggest thing is your communication flow. So when the guest books, you have got to say thank you. You have got to send your own message. Don't leave it to the OTAs. Don't leave it to, their other people in the group saying, "Hey, thanks for booking." It's like, no, no, no. You need to be the host and say, "Thank you so much for booking. We're looking forward to your arrival," and then direct them to where they can find more information. So if you're just starting out and you're not to a digital guidebook yet, you're thinking, okay, I will just send a big long email. We'll send a Canva created PDF. Maybe we'll send a Word doc. That's a good place to start.